We got coffee going. We got Mama's food going. Stay. Mama's gonna have grilled steak and eggs. Mama, right here. It is March 12th, still in Irvine. We did the drop at 5 a.m., 5:30-ish. Now we've got to head to San Diego. But not until we get freshened up. And something in our belly. So I'm gonna do some cinnamon rolls and bagel with strawberry cream cheese, which is really, really good. Throw the bagel side. I got these too. I still got these vanilla conchas, which suck. Do not like them, but I gotta get rid of them. Here's Mama's steak and eggs, and then after she's done with this, I'll put some milk in there for her to drink. I usually mix it with water so she gets her. I'll mix it with that water right there. So here's this. Mama, come on. I don't think she's feeling too good. You not feeling good? You're getting more gray. You're getting more gray above your eyes. You're getting white. Eat your food. Eat your food. Good girl. Eat your food, Mama. Good girl. Good girl. No, she's not feeling good. She's not even eating. Eat your food. What's wrong, Mama? You don't eat your food? No. You want to eat dirt off the ground, but you don't eat your food. Eat your food and I'll give you some milk. Eat your food, I'll give you some milk. Eat your food, I'll give you some milk. Mama, eat your food, give you some milk. Eat your food. Good girl. Good girl. Mama, eat your food. I'm sure once she tastes it. Good girl. Eat your food, I'll give you some milk. Eat your food, I'll give you some milk. My baby. Come on. Eat your food, I'll give you some milk. Coffee sounds like it's done. usually spills, so I'm going to put it over here. Alright, move, let me grab the milk. Oh man, if I get some milk in here. There you go. That's some milk mixed in with your food. Now it's cereal. Drink your milk. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Alright, coffee's done. Good girl, mama. Eat your food. Eat all your food. I'll give you some milk. Some milk in there. Here. There. Some water in there too. There you go. Drink your milk. So, just another morning routine. Gotta throw a bunch of garbage away. So, coffee's done. Mama's is fed. Let me just do the paper towel this morning and not no paper plate. The bagel. I decided to grow my beard really long. So I'm going to look pretty scruffy. After we're done with this bagel, we can get out of here. Go find a garbage. Throw all this garbage away. How to add some milk to her food. She ain't feeling it. Warm up the bagels. Gotta get my extension cord here. Ah. Alright. Cream cheese.